Hello Puppet fans! And welcome to this lecture. In this lab we will use module layer Hiera to configure the Tomcat configuration file. In previous lecture we have configured the Tomcat using templates and params class. Now in this lab we will be using the Hiera and will replace the params class. One of the major cons of using params is data is inside the manifest. So business logic is also inside params.pp class. When Hiera hit the scene, one of the first things people tried to do was to incorporate it into existing modules. The logic at that time was that you could keep all parameter defaults inside Hiera and rid yourself of the params class, and then just make Hiera calls out for your data. So move the params class in /tmp because we need the parameters which will be used in Hiera. In previous lecture we have used class inheritance, so we will remove the inheritance from all the classes. So edit config.pp, remove inherits Tomcat and save the file. Next open install.pp. Remove inherits Tomcat and save the file. Next edit service.pp. Remove the inherits Tomcat and save the file. Next edit init.pp. Removed inherits Tomcat params and save the file. As we know, we have three Hiera layers: global, environment, and module. So in the lab we will be using the module layer out of three Hiera layers. So in your Tomcat module, edit hiera.yaml and add entries copied from Puppet syntax guide. Remove all the hierarchies in the hiera.yaml file, which you don't need. Like for this lab I will keep only per-node data, per-OS defaults, and common.data YAML hierarchies. In this lab we will using the common.yaml file to keep our data values in Hiera, and rest other hierarchies per-node data and per-OS defaults will be used in next labs. So now save the file. In hiera.yaml file, data is the path of your Hiera data, where you will keep your data in common or other YAML files. So you can change the path if you want to have something different other than data. So next create a data directory if you do not have one, and create the common.yaml file. Next go to your installed.pp file and replace the packages from Tomcat_package variable. And add string $Tomcat_package. And save the file. And save the file. So in this exercise we will move the data from the code and we'll keep the data in Hiera. This way we don't have to edit our installed.pp again if there is any package or version change, as Tomcat package will be called from Hiera only. Next, verify the installed.pp content and edit the common.yaml file to keep the data for Tomcat_package. So add entries Tomcat, install, Tomcat_package, Tomcat, and save the file. Next, remove the Tomcat from Node 1 to test if Puppet will pick up the Tomcat package name mentioned in install.pp from Hiera data. So to test, run Puppet agent T, and once Puppet run is completed, check if Tomcat was installed. So we verified that Hiera data lookup is working as the Tomcat package has been installed in Node 1. But tomcat.conf does not have any value, because in this lab we have removed the params file, and to get the values we need to call Hiera. So let's move on to common.yaml file again and place the params output which we have saved in /tmp. So edit common.yaml. And just to make it easy, I will paste the params entries here in this file so that I can write the class easily, without comparing with saved params file in /tmp. I will delete these lines before saving the file. So now add entries. Tomcat:config: Tomcat_cfg_loaded, 1. Tomcat :config Tomcat_base /var/lib/tomcats. Tomcat :config Java_home. Tomcat :config Catalina_home. Tomcat :config Catalina_pter. Tomcat :config security_manager /user/lib/jvmjre /user/share/tomcat /var/cache/tomcat/temp. False. Remove the copied params entries and save the file. Next, validate the YAML entries with inline YAML lint validator. So we got the error could not find expect : So edit the file again and add : after. Java_home, Catalina_home, Catalina_Tmpter, Security_manager, and align the entries. Check the online YAML lint again, and once we are good with the syntax, save the file. Now we have configured the common.yaml file. We need to add the strings for variables in common.yaml to tomcat config.yaml. So run gawk print $5 to grep only the variables to put in config.yaml file. So paste the entries and add string before every variable, so the entries must look like string $tomcat_package, string $tomcat_cfg_loaded, string $tomcat_base, string $java_home, string $catalina_home, string $catalina_tmpter, string $security_manager, and save the file. Now validate the config files by running Puppet parser validate config.pp. Puppet parser validate installed.pp. Puppet parser validate service.pp. Puppet parser validate init.pp. Now we are done with Tomcat Hiera and config file. So let's test the changes by running Puppet agent-t. As we can see the result, we need to define the parameters as string, not integer. So let me correct the common.yaml file by converting the values in string, and once you are done with changes, save the file. Now run Puppet agent-t again. Now as a result, I got the tomcat_package issue in config.pp. Wait. Looks like we have added the tomcat_package variable as a string in config.pp file, which should be in installed.pp only. So let me remove the string from config.pp and save the file. Next run Puppet agent-t again, and this time it should be completed. So the Puppet run was successful and we got the values for tomcat.conf from Hiera. You can also open Tomcat webpage to verify the successful installation of Tomcat. So open the URL with your system IP and port 8080. So we have successfully configured the Tomcat template and have applied the changes successfully on Node 1. Okay, so in this section we have configured the Tomcat configuration file using module layer Hiera. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have time, feel free to move on to next lecture.